welcome to another exciting episode. Nah, it's not that exciting today. Not the students again. Alright, welcome to another exciting episode of Extremes Out of Woods, but it's not that exciting, but this is some good news though. The moment that y'all been waiting for, the motor is finally out the car. So I'm giving y'all the latest and I'm giving y'all the greatest. I wasn't there unfortunately to get the actual footage of it coming out because I'm on the job now doing this job while they was actually doing that process. So unfortunately, you know, the video quality is not the best, but I'm gonna put it up so this way y'all can see it in like both angles, so y'all can definitely see the process of and the progress of the Z in where it's at right now. But the motor is finally out though. But check out this next clip.
Alright, motor's coming out. Hold on. Gotta take this out. Motor's out.
This could disconnect this side. I mean, you can disconnect this side.
Yeah, so as far as with that, like, that is the best I can get for like right now, but I would definitely be there for the part when the other motor gets actually put in there, so y'all could definitely see that process being built. But that is just about it for this vlog. I'm sorry that is just a super duper ultra mega short one, but like I said, stay tuned. Like I said, more supercar content and also more news on the Z being built. So as always, like, comment and subscribe, and if you like to see anything, let me know in the comment section, you know, down the bottom. You know, don't be afraid, you can put something there. And with that being said, I will catch y'all in the next one. Later.